Hi children, in today's class we are going to see Unit 2 lesson is Nina Ondas. In this lesson, the main characters are Nina, Nitin and their father. Shall we enter into the lesson children? Children, see this picture. Yes, there is a girl in the picture and her name is Nina. She is sitting and thinking about herself. What Nina is thinking about? Today I am not going to school. It is a holiday. I am not going out to play. It is too hot anyway. What I am going to do?
On that time, Nitin called her sister Nina, Nina, Nina.
But Nina does not reply. Nitish goes near her and shakes her head.
Nitin said to Nina, I called you 3 times.
For that, Nina replied, I am sorry, I didn't hear you.
After that, Nitin said to Nina, Nina, let's play a game. It's called Listen to Your Body.
Nina asked Nitin, really? How do we play that game? Nitin said to Nina, sit down and do what I do. Nitin breathes in and out. Nina breathes in and out. Nitin asked Nina, can you hear the breath? Nina replied, yes. Nitin said, I can make my breath louder. Iss. So, Nina also said, I can make it even louder. Iss. Children, do you know which part of our body help us to breathe? Yes, nose helps us to breathe louder. Nitin places his hand on his chest and so does Nina. Nitin said to Nina, listen, do you hear anything? Nina replied to Nitin, yes, I can hear lub-dub, lub-dub, lub-dub. Someone is playing a drum inside my body. So that Nitin replied to Nina, that is your heart. It beats all the time. It beats all day. It beats all night. Children, heart help us to circulate the blood throughout our body. Nitin claps his hand and so does Nina. Nitin said to Nina, I can make a song with my hands. Children, hands help us to do any work. Nina stands up and stomps her feet. Nina said to Nitin, ha, brother, I can make one with my feet. Tippity tappity too, stamp, stamp, stamp. Children, legs helps us to walk, run, jump and hop. Next, Nitin places his hand on his tummy and so does Nina. Nina said to his brother, I can hear good-do-do. Ha ha ha! Nitin laughed. Are you hungry? Asked Nitin. Tummy means stomach. It helps us to digest our food. Shh! Went the cooker. Nina turns to the sound. They both went to the kitchen. Why did Nina turns to the sound? Nina heard the cooker sound, so she turns to the sound. Which part of body helps her to hear the sound? The ears helps her to hear the sound. think food is ready, said by Nitin. How do you know, brother? Nina asked. Nitin said, my nose says so, because nose helps us to smell the fragrance of food. They both saw the jamuns. So Nina asked her father, one for me? Father asked them, what are you both doing here in the kitchen? Nina replies for that, we heard the cooker sound. Nitin said to his father, we saw the jamuns. The jamuns is so sweet. Children, by tongue we can find out the taste. At last, father said to them, oh no, no more jamuns before the lunch. Off you go, he said. Children, from this lesson, we learnt about the parts of body and how it helps us to do our routine work. I hope you all understood this lesson. Thank you.